Hello class, and welcome to this short explanation of the body paragraphs for your Harrison-Bergeron or 2081 essay. The focus for today will be on continuing your body paragraphs. To do that, you will need your planning template. Make sure you have this by your side and then continue watching. Recall that we were working on Note 38, First Draft. Go ahead and open this up and find your first body paragraph. This is what each paragraph will look like: a topic sentence, an example from Harrison-Bergeron, a transition, a topic example, or in other words, an example from your particular text or topic, and then a conclusion. Last week, we worked on the topic sentence and the first example. You can go ahead and make sure that you have checked off those boxes. The first thing we will do is to add the example from your topic or your other text or film from your template. You've already come up with this example to the paragraph in Evernote. We are skipping over the transition for right now. Underneath your first example from Harrison-Bergeron, skip a space and then describe the example from your topic in precise, very precise detail. Once you are finished, show it to your question partner and ask each other questions. You can continue to work with your writing partner or your question partner on step 2. Here, you are going to think about how the two examples in the paragraph are related and write one sentence to explain the connection. That is your transition sentence. Again, we're coming back to the transition and thinking about how the two examples are related. They could be similar, they could be different, one could be more intense than the other or more obvious than the other. There are lots of possibilities. Now for the conclusion sentence of your paragraph. Think about how the two examples manifest the theme, and then write your last sentence. Also work with your question or your writing partner on this part of the process. Try to think really deeply about how the themes are similar in the two stories. That will make for a very good conclusion sentence. And now, to recap what you are doing today. First, you will describe the example from your topic in precise detail. Second, you will work on your transition and talk about how the two examples are related. And lastly, you will write a conclusion sentence. Throughout the writing process today, make sure to work with your writing or question partner to ask each other very precise questions. If you finish all 3 paragraphs, read them aloud to your partner. Lastly, some inspiration from Ray Bradbury, author of All Summer in a Day. I've had a sign over my typewriter for over 25 years now, which reads, "Don't think. You must never think at the typewriter. You must feel. Your intellect is always buried in that feeling anyway. So let yourself write, don't be self-critical, work with your partner, but think deeply." That's all, folks. At the end of class today, you should have 3 complete body paragraphs. If you don't, send me an email and keep working, and we'll continue working on this on Wednesday.